Hey cyber enthusiasts, welcome to our Cyberscurity News Roundup. Join us as we dive into the highlights at lightning speed from January 1st to January 15, 2024. Buckle up and here we go. First up, CISA adds 6 critical vulnerabilities to its exploited catalog. The most serious hits Apache superset, allowing remote code execution. Other targets include Adobe ColdFusion, Apple iOS, D-Link devices, and Joomla, with the Apple iOS exploit being leveraged by unknown actors as part of the Operation Triangulation spyware attacks. Cisco's on the move with software updates. In the spotlight, a vulnerability scoring 7.3 in Unity connections. Versions 12.5 and 14 are affected, but fear not, updates fixed it right up. Plus, 11 medium severity flaws get patched, except for vulnerabilities affecting the wireless access point 371. For that one, time to migrate. UNC 5221 is a suspected nation actor causing a ruckus. They hit Ivanti Secure VPN with 2 0 days, unleashing chaos via authentication bypass and code injections, with more than 20 customers targeted. But fear not, Ivanti's gearing up to drop patches next week on January 22nd. CISA sounds the alarm on a critical Microsoft SharePoint vulnerability exploited in the wild. Spoofed JOT tokens lead to privilege escalation, posing a remote code execution risk. Federal agencies are scheduled to patch up by January 31st to fend up active threats. Better get to patching. Opera browser faces the music with MyFlaw, a remote code execution flaw on Windows and Mac OS. Attackers bypassed the browser sandbox through a controlled extension, executing files beyond the security boundaries. This prompted Opera to patch this flaw late last year. This is due to responsible disclosure. Lesson learned, browser design needs a facelift. Big news in the crypto world. The SEC's X account got hacked, falsely claiming Bitcoin ETF approval in a tweet. Prices spiked briefly, but SEC's Chair Gensler confirmed it's a hoax. No approval. Other breaches on X include Netgear, Hyundai, Certicate, and Mandiant, raising serious security concerns. However, according to X, the breach was due to a hijacked mobile phone associated with the account. The investigation is ongoing. Lastly, Juniper Network takes on a critical pre-authentication RCE vulnerability, hitting the SRX series firewalls and the EX series switches. Bad news, unauthenticated attackers could exploit JWeb interfaces, scoring root privileges, or launching nasty DOS attacks. As a silver lining, no evidence of exploitation as of yet. But admins, apply those patches pronto or play it safe by disabling the JWeb interface. And that's a wrap for this Whirlwind Cybersecurity News Roundup. Stay sharp, stay secure, and catch you in the next one.